Are you gonna enjoy them? It's looking very. My eggs are ready, so I'm gonna pull them out. Yeah. So today I like to show you a new recipe. Don't cook eggs the same style all the time. So try to change, guys, and learn new thing. Actually, this is how I was boiling my eggs from the rice. So I needed to take away the peels or cover of the eggs. So let's see and keep watching. So guys, the here there is my eggs after I was like to clean them after boiling them. So let's take away the cover, and then we gonna see the next step. So let's try to remove this. Okay, now I am ready for the next step. So and put this out first of all. Okay, let's go. We're gonna do this. Okay, so this is how I want it to be. Patties you cut into small pieces. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so let's see what is next. Okay, we're gonna need some small oil. Okay, some small oil to not really much. Put your onions. Why not small salt? You can put some more salt. Oh my god, it is done. My salt is finished. I need to buy. Okay, so next step, you need our eggs do what do so this is my recipe, guys. So let's see what's going on. Okay, guys. So actually you don't need them to be so much on the heat, because it is already boiled. So it just changing the taste, and yes, the taste really. So even now I can stop because it's enough. Changing your cooking ways, guys. Okay, let's see how it looks on the plate. So enjoy. Let's eat. Are you gonna enjoy them? It's looking very yummy. So let's enjoy it and taste it, guys. Very yummy and very different from what maybe you know. So let's enjoy also my kachumbari. Guys, please let me enjoy the food.